Multani Business Passage number 10. Start. The chairman, who presided, said, ladies and gentlemen, as most of us already know, we have been operating during the past year under difficult conditions, full stop. Wages, materials, transport, and the cost of public service have been going up, one after the other, and in our position as manufacturers, it is not always possible or, for that matter, desirable that we should endure to recover the increase in the cost as they take place, by frequently increasing our selling prices, full stop. Paragraph. As I have indicated to you in recent years, we have done our utmost to ensure that, by increased efficiency in production, as many as possible of these increased costs have been absorbed without increasing prices, full stop. When I tell you that during the past 6 years our selling prices have risen only by an amount equal to half that one of the rise in costs of raw materials and wages alone, you will appreciate the measure of our business, full stop. Paragraph. In adopting this policy, I venture to say that the Chancellor of the Exchequer would be the first to agree that we have made a real contribution in the fight against inflation, and I am also sure that in the years to come our efforts, full stop, in this direction will improve beneficial to the interests of the company and to our distributors in all parts of the world, full stop. Paragraph. I feel very strongly that it is essential to keep the costs of the machine we make as low as possible and well within the reach of our customers, full stop. Whilst we are doing the best we can in the circumstances within our control, our real influence of on costs can only be exerted by the country as a whole, full stop. Industrial production in the United Kingdom is increasing much more slowly than at any time since the war, and 3. Can be no way of increasing our output except by increased productive effort and by longer hours of working, full stop.